Today's buy of the week is these adjustable LED super bright lights that we're going to be taking a look at. I've heard some great things about them, but we're going to try them out. And the most important thing is that they're on sale right now. You can get these for a great deal if you like them. And I'm going to recommend these right now, especially for the price they're at. So let's take them out of the box and let's go over the design and then go over some specs and some places you could possibly use them at. They come in a pair. These are two lights. Get some sizes. They're cocooned in the box. Okay guys, now that we got the light removed from the box, let's go over some technical stuff. Each one of these panels hold 48 different LEDs. It puts out supposedly 8,000 lumens. In some places I see 6,000, but for the most part 8,000 lumens, which is a ton of light on a 6500K scale, bright white light, which is also awesome for the light I'm looking for. And I bought these for my garage. I actually bought 2 sets, so I got 4 different lights for the garage. And as far as the design, of course, you can bend them from 0 to 90 degrees, which will offer light from up to 180 degrees to 360 degrees. Or you can face them in any direction you want light. They uses the standard E26, E27 plug. Has a plastic covering over it. Screws off. The E26 to E27 is the standard light fixture, the most common light fixture in any house. So this screws right in once you replace your old bulbs or incandescent, if you got incandescent bulbs. As a certified electrician, whenever I buy lighting, I look for efficiency. Efficient as in great lighting that doesn't consume a lot of electricity, and this fits the bill. This is equivalent to a 60-watt light bulb, but you're getting 8,000 lumens. This light's supposed to last up to 50,000 hours. I don't think you'll get that much, but if you can get close to that, you've won for the cost of these lights. But all in all, the design feels sort of cheap. The plastic feels cheap. It's very lightweight. It feels cheaply made, but durable in a sense. It don't feel like it's gonna break. So I'm excited to get them installed just to see how bright they are. You can never have enough light. So let's get some measurements. Okay, so first and foremost, each panel is about 6 inches long. So they're about 2 1/4 inches wide. So let's weigh them. So each light is about 6 ounces. Not bad at all. So now that we got some technical stuff out the way, let's get out to the garage and install them and see how bright these lights are. Okay guys, so here's the light we're changing out. There's 1, 2, and 3. These are 5,000 lumens, 5,000 lumens, 5,000 lumens. But I do have a 5-panel light here with a light in the center. These are 6,000 lumens. These are very bright compared to the other ones, but these are supposed to be 8,000 lumens, and you can never have enough light. However, there's only 3 panels, and I'm afraid that there are gonna be some dark spots or some shaded area. So we're gonna just test out one here first and see how that plays out. If we like it, we're gonna swap them out, but I'm still glad to have them because you can't beat it for that price, the lighting. So let's change this one out. Let you guys get a good look at it. Let's take a good look at how bright it is, and you can just see the radius of the light coverage to the ceiling, which we're not trying to light up the ceiling, so that doesn't matter. The most important part is beneath us. We want to have a lot of light in the garage, a lot of light. So that we're going to replace this one. Let's remove this one right now and see how it looks. So as you guys can see how it's shaded up top, but it's definitely brighter. We got more light dispersing from those panels, but you have some shaded areas, but it's not noticeable. Once I adjusted the panels to the ceiling, the shaded areas becomes less visible throughout the space as the light disperses but definitely brighter than that. This is, may don't look like it, but we got light everywhere. Okay guys, here's my closing thoughts on this light. It's a great light, especially for the cost. It doesn't consume much energy. It gives off a lot of light. However, there are some shaded areas, as expected. Although it says it disperses light from 180 degrees to 360 degrees once it's spread in a certain angle, but there will be some shaded area. But do I recommend this light? Absolutely. For the price, you cannot beat that. If you need extra light or more lighting in a specific location, this is the light for you. However, do I recommend this for a shop or a garage where you tend to work at like me? Probably not. Although I hung the light in my garage and I like how I look and dispersed off light, I noticed on the car and they're working on that, there was some shaded areas. I have to kind of twist it a little bit to point in the direction of the light of the vehicle, and I don't want that. I need light to disperse throughout the garage. So I will show you guys the light that I did purchase. I did purchase some more lights. I'm always buying lights, but I purchased some more lights for the garage, for the pole barn actually, and I'm gonna put them in the garage. But I would recommend these lights for a shop or a garage where you working at on vehicles or anything, or just a warehouse. I would recommend these specific lights, and I'll show you right now. There's many uses for these lights. You can use them for your basement. Laundry room, pantry. Warehouse. Garage like me, or in any other place where you can use more light. So those are my closing thoughts for this week's DIY buy of the week. I'll be doing these buys of the week at least twice a month, but I'll be aiming for every Friday. I'll try to get one out if I find a great deal on a product and I think it's worth posting or showing you guys. It'll be a variety of stuff, from automotive to home. That's my field, automotive to home, and I'm a certified electrician, and of course I've been working on cars since I was a kid. So home products, automotive products, electrical products, I'm all over it, and those will be my buys of the week. And some computers. I make a living on the computers, so computers as well. Not the technical stuff, but computers also. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this buy of the week. Highly recommend this item for the price. And if you like this content, I'm posting, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you guys be notified when I do upload new content. Terence, and I'm out.